This is the video of the hit here between the Mazda and this car. So I was backing out and I'm already out. As you can see in my position, this car was parked right by this car on this slot, and it just kept backing out. I stopped because this guy was not even looking where he's going, and he just went right in and brushed against my bumper here. As you can see, the damage on this side, because he was coming from this direction and the car crashed up on this side. And the damage on this side of the other vehicle is right here. It's a bit dark to get any marks on it, but it's visible enough right here. So once again, this was the spot from backing out, and I was backing out from here, and I had to stop, basically wait for this car, but this car just didn't look anywhere. Like, they just kept going, and I had nowhere to go. So this is what happened.